Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and I finally got my hands on one. Like many of you out there who pre-ordered the Steam Deck, you should be getting yours, or at least get your notification soon if you haven't already gotten either your notification or the actual package itself. But here's the Steam Deck in its packaging. First, I want to talk about the box that it came in. Unfortunately, FedEx, despite the battery warning, kind of treated it like UPS, so it came a little bit beat up and battered. Of course, when you open it up, you get greeted by various languages, and then you get a little pamphlet or kind of guide here, right, telling you where the power connector is, where the power button is, so on and so forth, where you can put the micro SD. You get two packages, not only the package that the Steam Deck is in, but also looks to be like a battery or maybe a charger box. Let's go ahead and open this up. And yes, this is the charger as I believed it to be, Type-C, which you already know. Obviously, this is coming from the perspective of the average user or the average end user. I know there's a lot of videos out there of our favorite content creators in the tech space, you know, showing what the overall unboxing is like. But this is just a plain Jane. You know, you get your package all beat up, kicked, dropped, whatever. Of course, opening this up, you got your serial number and everything on the bottom of this outer shell, I guess you could say. So make sure you hang on to that for any registration purposes. Then get a little plastic, single-use plastics. I don't like that too much. Oh, and we got a little protective lock here that says Valve on it. See if you can see that. Yeah. So need to cut that open. It would be nice if that was a reusable lock, though. Is it a reusable lock? Hang on. It's got a rubbery feel to it. I wish I could reuse that lock. That'd be kind of cool. Nope. Single use. Once you break it, it's done, unfortunately. Alright, so just gonna cut that off. And then, obviously, you're gonna unzip your package. That sounds dirty. Really nice though here, you know, strap for, I'm guessing, maybe any accessories you want to keep in your packaging back here. You open it up and then you are greeted by the Steam Deck. Looks a little bit, looks new-ish, right? I'm not gonna say it was used by anybody. Maybe some dust on it, no scratches. Whether or not I got the good fan or the bad fan, we'll have to wait and see. If you paid attention to Gamers Nexus and their content coverage or Reddit and talking about which fan is better. I don't know which model I have, but now with the Gamers Nexus video, I'll be able to identify that based off of just sound, really. And this feels really nice in my hand. This feels really nice in my hand. I don't play Steam as much as I should or I could. This is going to be primarily for my children and me. I would use it every once in a while. As you can see, very big screen, about the size of my hand. So definitely not too heavy, not too light. I forgot the actual weight, but definitely something that I'm going to be enjoying. I believe there is a dock coming out soon. Here's your micro SD card reader that you can see there at the bottom, if I could point to it. You also have your various connections, you know, keypads, buttons, D-pad, plus and minus for volume. It's up top. Your Type-C charger, your power, just the Steam Deck in all of its entirety. I believe the dock should be coming out soon, I want to say. I'm not sure how that's going to work out in the long run. But there you go, guys. Steam Deck for the average end user. No special packaging, no nothing. Put it in your little to-go pouch. Close it up. Zip it up. Take it where you want on the go. It's not as convenient as the Nintendo Switch, you know, that you can put in like your cargo pockets, or if you got big jeans, your regular pockets. Take that on the go. Connect to it. Play your games. Do whatever you want. Once you have a good connection, because just like most applications nowadays, in order to play your games, you have to be online. So if you don't have an online connection, that can cause issues, and then you won't be able to play the games that you purchase. But that's going to do it for this video. I just want to do a quick unboxing with you. Hope you enjoyed it. It was just for a select few people. And I will catch you next one. Please do me a favor on the way out. Hit the like button. Don't forget to get subscribed. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date. As well as check out links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here. And I'll see you next time. Take care.